Hi, my name is Pixie Clay and I have a food blog called pixienoms.com. I'm a home cook and a home baker, and one of my favorite things to eat is salad dressing. I'm back home in Hawaii for a little bit visiting family and friends, so I decided to share some of my recipes with you, and this recipe is kind of like a zesty Italian type of dressing. The good thing about Hawaii is that the temperature is perfect for growing fresh herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme. And so my parents have a bunch of these plants in their garden, so I figured I might as well make use of it and make some salad dressing. So you'll start off with a bunch of fresh basil. You can use any type of fresh basil that you want. This is the type that my parents grow. It's a Thai basil variety, also called holy basil. And then fresh rosemary, you don't want to use too much, just a sprig and just the leaves. And then we'll add some sprig of thyme, just the leaves again. You don't want to use the stem because it's woody and tough and not delicious to eat. And there's 3 cloves of garlic that we're going to add to it as well. You want 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So we're putting about 6 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. You want to add a pinch of sugar, just to balance out the tartness of the vinegar and the punchiness of the herbs. Add some salt, black pepper to taste, and then we blend. And there you have an Italian style dressing.